Hi, welcome back. In this English grammar lesson series, you will learn about articles a and the. This lesson is a full guide to all the three articles. Here you will see what is an article, its types, uses of each type with examples, when to use which article, when no article is used, and in the end, there is an exercise with answers. So, let's begin. Articles are a type of adjectives. They are used before nouns or noun equivalents to modify them. Types of articles are indefinite article, a or an, and definite article, the. Examples are I like the bike in the parking. She is a nice girl. He has an umbrella in his bag. Now, let's study these types one by one in detail. First, we'll take indefinite article a or an. A is used with consonant sounds while an is used with vowel sounds. Be careful, we are not talking about words starting with vowels, that is A, E, I, O, U, but words starting with vowel sounds. They may or may not start with vowels. Look at the examples. A box, a car, a horse, an ice cream, an honest girl, an umbrella. Here we have used an with honest, which doesn't start with a vowel but a vowel sound. A and an are used for non-specific things which are one of the several things of a similar type. That's why this type of article is called indefinite article. Examples are she bought a pen yesterday. Here we are talking about a pen which is not specific but one of the several other pens. Next example, he is eating an apple. This apple is one of the several other apples. But when we say after this, the apple is red in color, it becomes specific. This is the apple he is eating. Next use of indefinite article a or an. It is used with countable nouns which are singular. Recalling countable nouns. These are the nouns which can be counted, like bag, book, house, and uncountable nouns are like knowledge, air, sugar, etc. Coming back, a or an is used with countable nouns which are singular. Look at the example. He is driving a car. Here, car is a countable noun and it is singular. So, we are using a car. Next example. She'll be here by an hour. Again, hour is a countable noun and is singular. That's why an hour. If we say she's eating a rice, it would be wrong because rice is an uncountable noun. A or an is also used before the names of professions. For example, Sam is a teacher. He is an editor. She is a director by profession. Further, indefinite article a or an is used while talking about frequency. Examples are Greg visits his friend once a week. My English test takes place 4 times a month. Some other frequencies can be twice a day or 5 times a year. Next use of a or an is to mention a member of a group. Examples are, he is a student of Innocent Heart School. Here, Innocent Heart School is a group and he is a member of that group. Next example, he is an officer at LIC of India. Another example can be, he is a member of parliament. We can use a or an for first mention. It means when you are mentioning anything or any person for the first time. For example, he lives in an apartment. We are using an here because we are mentioning it for the first time. For further talking about it, we can say the apartment is airy and spacious. We have used the apartment and not a apartment here because we have already mentioned about it. Second example, Simone is reading a book. She borrowed the book from her friend. Here again, we are using a book for the first time and the book for the second time. In some exclamations also, a or an is used, like, what a beautiful scenery, what an extraordinary beauty, what a coincidence. Let's talk about next type of article, definite article, the. The is used with specific things or things which are particular or definite. That's why this article is named as definite article. Examples are, the book on the table is mine. Here we are talking about a book which is on the table. On the table makes the book specific. Second example, the dress in the showcase is very expensive. In the showcase makes the dress specific. Next, the can be used with any type of noun. It can be countable or uncountable, singular or plural. Examples are, the sugar in the container is bought by him. Here, sugar is an uncountable noun. Second example, he hit the dog running on the road. Third, the dogs are barking at the beggars. In the second example, word dog is singular, while in the third, dogs is plural and the is used with both of them. Definite article, the, is used with things or persons which are already mentioned. For example, I have bought a bike. The bike is black in color. Here you can see we have used a bike in the first sentence. After mentioning it for the first time, we use the bike in the second sentence. Similarly, in the second example, he lives in an apartment. The apartment is very beautiful. In the second sentence, we have used the apartment because we have already mentioned about it in the first sentence. Another use of definite article the is with unique things. A unique thing is a thing which is one of its kind. Examples are, the sky is clear today. The Prime Minister of India is visiting America. These days, everybody is getting benefited by the internet. In these examples, sky, Prime Minister and internet are unique. Further, definite article the is used with superlative forms and ordinal numbers. Superlative form is the highest degree of comparison. Examples are, the best, the tallest, the craziest, the most difficult, the most beautiful, and ordinal numbers are like first, second, third, fourth, etc. Example sentences are: he has called you for the second time. She is the first person to speak against him. Next use of definite article the is with adjectives. It is used to refer to a whole group of people. For example, the poor should be helped with money. Here, the poor represents all the poor people. Second example, the elderly need special care. Here, the elderly means whole group of elderly people. Third example, the unemployed should be provided with job opportunities. The unemployed includes the whole group of unemployed people. The is also used with decades, holy books, and classics. Examples of decades are the 70s, the 1920s, the 1950s. Holy books are the Ramayana, the Bible, the Gita. Classics are the Iliad, the Odyssey. Further, the is used with the names of families, newspapers, hotels and restaurants. Examples of names of families are the Thapars, the Smiths. Newspapers are the Hindustan Times, the New York Times. Examples of hotels and restaurants are the Hyatt, the Oberoi. Definite article the is used with some other names of lines of the globe like the equator, the Tropic of Cancer, the Tropic of Capricorn, the latitude, the longitude. Oceans and rivers like the Indian Ocean, the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Thames, the Ganges. Mountain ranges and island groups like the Himalayas, the Alps, the Canaries, the Bahamas. The is also used with the names of countries and regions like the United States of America, the Netherlands, the west of Australia. Deserts, forests and gulf names like the Sahara, the Black Forest, the Persian Gulf. We also use the with the names of peninsula, famous stars and buildings. For example, the Iberian Peninsula, the Tower of London, the Statue of Liberty, the Eiffel Tower, the Empire State Building. Having known when to use a or an and when to use article the, let's see when no articles are used. We don't use any article while talking in general. For example, exercise is good for health. Dogs are faithful animals. Gold is very expensive. We don't use any article before languages and meals also, like she speaks French. I had lunch at 2 p.m. Here French is a language and lunch is a meal and no article is used before them. Also, before the names of years, months and days, no article is used. For example, he left India in 2015. She was born in May. Banks are closed on Sundays. Before the names of some countries and games, no article is used, like India, China, Italy, France, Canada. These are the countries, and games are football, soccer, tennis, skiing. Now, try to fill in the blanks with a, an, the, or cross. Here cross means no article. After filling the blanks, You can match your answers with the answers given here. I hope you understand this lesson well, and now you'll be able to use these articles in a better way. Thanks for watching. Bye.